please. So I'm quite excited. I've just received a box, haven't opened it. It's from my new sponsor, KraftGeek. They make really, really good easels, very versatile. And I've been wanting one for quite a while, and I finally got one. They were very kind and they sponsored me and my channel because they know that I get a lot of lovely artists on my channel. And what I thought was, I'll open it while I'm with you and have a quick look at it, and then I'll do a video where I demonstrate it. Oh, here's the edge. You know, I'll do a painting on it and see how it measures up. I'm sure it's, with what I've read about it, I'm sure it's going to be good. Very versatile. You can stick it in the car, and you know, when you're going off on a painting trip, plein air, as they call it. Ooh, this is looking very posh. Look, very nice. Now, you can use this on any surface, apparently. Let's open it, see what we've got here. Very sturdy, I can tell by the weight of it. It's not flimsy at all. It's quite, you know, it's got a good weight to it. It's called it's by KraftGeek. I'll put a link, obviously, in the details, and it's called the Inspire easel stand. Now, let's see if we can open it without breaking things. No, it's very, very securely packaged. Now, I think this company are in California, but I think I'm going to check with them. I think you can get it on Amazon. Get them on Amazon. I'm pretty sure you can, but I will double check that and let you know. Let's see what we've got here. Oops. Ooh, it's looking good. So I thought, you know, I think the quality of your work depends on your, oh, it's so sturdy. And it's got some nice, nice instructions there showing you how you can use it. It's incredibly, incredibly good quality. I'll tell you that right now. It comes in black and white. I can tell straight away it's ever so good. And look how small it is and compact to go in the car. So let's see what we can do. Oh, here we go. Now this is for on a desk. I love it. Look, very simple. Simple, but effective and good. You know, none of this, like, this is the old style that I've got here. That's the old style, which is fine, but things have moved on. And we've got this wonderful gorgeousness. Yeah, oh, and it's got a hook somewhere. Let's have a look. Now, that is, you can open that. Oh, here we go. Here we go. So that extends that. I really should fiddle with this off camera and then I can show you. And then it's got the legs here, just like a a telescopic stand for your camera, you know, and then you lock it. So it's simply extend it to the height that you want. Very simple. And then twist it to lock it. There you go. It's locked. Now, it obviously goes higher than this. Let's see. Oh yeah, it goes quite high. Oh, goodness gracious me. Look, it goes like really high. Let's do it. Let's do it. Easy lock, twist. So I've got the easel set up as a desk easel now. And I forgot to mention that on the legs, they've got measurements so that you can get them all, you know, at all the legs at the same height. Yeah, they're printed on the legs here, just at the bottom, I think. So this easel is set up as a desk easel. Look how easy it is. And you can, there you go. So I think that's about it. I think what I was when I took it out of the box, what I was most impressed with is the quality. It's lovely. The quality is good, sturdy, and very good. Now, of course, it's portable, compact. You can stick it in the car, you go out painting, or not. You can stick it either on a desk, table, or stand it to its full height. I'll just tell you the height. So it goes from 19.8 inches, so just over 19 and a half, and it goes all the way to 65 inches. Very stable. It's got secure locks. Each section of the legs, you just twist and it locks. Couldn't be simpler. It's very secure, even outside, and it holds it's got a little thing at the back that could hold your iPhone, or, you know, like a light or something that you can put on there. It's a handy hook. It's a handy hook at the back here. Just show you. Oh, let's get rid of this a minute. There. It's just at the back of here. There's a nice little hook there. And of course you can put your canvas either way. You can put it like this and extend this top part here. And it grips the canvas or the board or whatever you're working on. You know, I sometimes work on this card, and I just tape it to a board. I think that's about it, except that I put the link in the description, and you can get 15% off this lovely easel if you use the code Cottage Art. And I'll double check and make sure I find out exactly where you can buy it. And with that, I'll say bye for now. Hope you liked it. I did. I like the easel. I'm going to use it. So good quality. Such good quality, I should say. So I'll see you again, lovelies. And with that, I'll say bye for now. And as always, love from Cornwall.